This is my 1990 Honda CRX Si. It's not perfect by any means, but it does run and drive, still doing exactly what Honda built it to do. The CRX is not just a car, it earned its place in legend status. It's not just living a long life, it's outmaneuvering most newer cars of today. And if you're a lucky one that owns a CRX, or really any other 80s or 90s Honda, you already know the challenge isn't keeping it going, it's keeping it supported. And that's exactly why what Honda just announced is so exciting, because for the first time in a long time, restoring cars like this doesn't have to feel like a scavenger hunt anymore. Honda has officially announced a new program called Honda Heritage Works, launching in April of 2026. The goal is to remake genuine Honda parts for classic models using original designs and OEM specifications, so no longer having to settle for that generic junk. These aren't aftermarket reproductions. These aren't close enoughs. This is factory-backed, Honda-supported, sold globally through Honda's dealer network. Honda Heritage Works also includes a factory restoration service for those who don't have the time to fully restore their project to its original condition. Applications are already being accepted, and unfortunately no, Honda has not announced OEM parts or restoration services specifically for the CRX. However, if Honda is willing to invest in preserving its legends, such as the NSX or the S2000, then the CRXs, the Preludes, and the Civics are not too far behind. Because these cars didn't just build Honda's history, they shaped Honda's reputation. Our cars, they do not need saving. Our cars deserve to be built with the genuine Honda parts that they came with from the factory. And with Honda stepping back into this space, our dream just might come into existence. But let's be honest, this doesn't mean everything is going to come back overnight. But what it does mean is that Honda is finally acknowledging its past. It's not just a nostalgia thing, but something worth keeping on the road. This isn't about going backwards. It's about Honda realizing that their future only exists because of cars like this. And if this is the direction Honda is going, then the best days for the classic Hondas still might be ahead. Are you just excited for this as I am? Because I cannot wait to see what the future holds if this is the case. If you like this video, please consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you all next time. And remember, as always, God loves you. Have a great day.